Good morning. It is Wednesday and I thought I would vlog my day because I have quite an interesting one. I am running a decorating class for a brand, so I wanted to show you the behind the scenes of running an event for a company and what it looks like to do a PR event from my side of the camera, so like what happens behind the scenes instead of just seeing the influencer and the editor's point of view. But I'm working for a company called Gym Plus Coffee. They've asked me to come in and do a decorating class for 20 guests, which is a lot, but I'm very excited. We're doing a mini bento class, and also they kindly gave me what they're launching. They're launching a whole new activewear today for different colours, like there's a blue, there's pinks. Kindly sent me lots of goodies, and this being one of them. And it makes me so happy because it means I have my uniform to wear for the day. I always freak out about what to wear for these classes because I'm not a very fashion girl. I freak out about these things, and I usually try wear like dresses or skirts or look a little bit more professional for my classes, but in reality I'm running around lifting boxes up and down stairs, like I'm being really active, and I usually just wear gym wear or active wear in the bakery and for weddings a lot of the time because it makes sense for me and for my job, even though I know it's not the most professional looking. But the fact that they have given me a full set to wear today and it's active wear, ideal client, ideal event and ideal clothing. It makes me so, like, I don't think I can express how excited I am that a company was like, no, we want you to wear active wear to the event, so I don't have to look overly professional. That dream. So I'm going to take you behind the scenes of today, and hopefully I get a lot filmed. It is quite an intense day, as in like it's going to be a lot to set up for 20 guests, but I have an assistant, I'm okay, so let's get this day started. Quite smooth, so yeah, those are all kind of nearly there. When it comes to the colours, one drop at a time because it's quite intense when you're doing it, just so you don't have to go take against it again. That's cute. I'm just back from that event, and I don't know if I filmed enough. I did a lot of my phone filming. I just didn't have 2 tripods with me, I just had the one, but that was such an incredible event. It went so well. The whole Gym Plus Coffee team were so amazing. They were so lovely to work with. Genuinely the easiest team I've worked with in a while. Oh, how could you not have a really good work day? The event went so well, the teams were so well, the guests were so lovely, and I think everyone had a lovely time. It was really relaxed. Everyone did such a good job. I was actually really surprised. I think it was one of my best classes I've seen from just random guests, not people who booked in. But yeah, I don't think I filmed enough in that class to do this as like a vlog, so I think I might chop this footage in with tomorrow's wedding and Saturday's wedding. I'll see you tomorrow for a dessert table.